Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the history of BMO Bank. The Bank of Montreal, BMO, Canada's oldest bank, was founded in 1817. Originally established by a group of merchants in Montreal, Quebec, its primary purpose was to provide a stable financial system for the city's burgeoning economy. At its inception, it was instrumental in financing trade and development projects. BMO's growth and expansion mirrored Canada's own development. In 1822, it became the first bank to open a branch outside its head office, setting a precedent for a nationwide banking system. Throughout the 19th century, BMO played a crucial role in Canada's Confederation and westward expansion, helping to fund major infrastructure projects like the Canadian Pacific Railway. In the 20th century, BMO continued to grow, expanding its services to include personal banking, wealth management, and investment banking. A major turning point came in 1984 when it acquired Harris Bancorp in Chicago, marking a significant entry into the U.S. market. This acquisition was a cornerstone of BMO's strategy to become a North American financial powerhouse. Today, BMO operates as a diversified financial services provider with a strong presence in both Canada and the United States. Its long history is a testament to its adaptability and resilience through economic changes and global events. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.